Okay, welcome back to my channel. This particular question is from physics under the topic gravitational field. I getting it? Gravitational field. Let's read the question. Two 5 kg spherical balls are placed so that their centers are 50.0 centimeter, right? 50.0 centimeter apart. Now they said, what is the magnitude of the gravitational force between the two balls? We are given G as what 6.67 times 10 raised to negative 11 or minus 11, 10 raised to minus 11. Now, whenever you are given a physics question to calculate, the first thing you need to do is to write out the given values. Are you getting it? The first thing you need to do is what is to write out the given values. So from there you can easily know the type of formula or the formula to use in solving that particular question. Are you getting it? And the second thing is to what understand the question. Are you getting it? Is to understand the question and what you are asked to solve for. Are you getting it? Let's read the question again. They said two 5.0 kg. Kg means what? Kilogram. And kilogram is a unit of what? Mass. Are you getting it now? Now, let's first of all write out the given values. Now, look at it. They said 5 kg. So, meaning that we have M1 and M2. So, the first one is what? 5 kg, and the second one too is what? 5 kg. Are you getting it? So don't be confused. They said what? 5 kg. 5.0 is still the same thing as 5. Are you getting it? 5.0 is still the same thing as 5. Okay. So take note. They said 5 kg, two of them. So meaning that we have two masses. Are you getting it? Supposing they said 5 kg, it will what? Only mass, only one mass. But this one they said two, so it will what? Mass one and mass two. I getting it? They have the same what? Value, 5 kg and 5 kg. Understood? Okay, let's continue. Two 5 kg spherical balls are placed so that their center are what? 50.0 centimeter apart. I getting it? This centimeter, it indicates what? Distance, either distance, height, or radius. Are you getting it? Either distance, height, or what? Radius. Are you getting it? So from here, since they are what? 50.0 centimeter apart, right? So radius will now be what? 50. Let's just say 50 centimeter. Okay, because 50.0 is still the same thing as 50. Are you getting it? 50.0 is still the same thing as 50, and this is a given unit, which is what? In centimeter. Now, before you start your calculation, make sure you convert from centimeter to meter. Are you getting it? Don't forget. Okay, make sure you convert from centimeter to meter. Now, look at one issue is if you are given this type of question in either JAM, POSITME, WAEC, NECO, any type of exam, after solving, without you converting from centimeter to meter, after solving, you still see the answer in the option. Are you getting it? You see what? See the answer in the option. For your mind, don't solve question finish. As far as you see the answer in the option, for your mind, don't solve question finish. Not knowing that you got the wrong answer. Are you getting it? So whenever you are given a physics question to calculate, please make sure you convert from centimeter to meter before you continue with the calculation. Are you getting it? Now the question is how to convert from centimeter to meter. Is very simple. Are you getting it? So here we have 50 centimeter, 50, right? So if you want to convert from centimeter to meter, it's very simple. Just divide the number by 100. Are you getting it? So if you divide 50 over 100, it gives you 0.5 meter. So are you getting it? So any number you are given, as far as the number is in centimeter, If you want to convert from centimeter to meter, just divide the particular number by what? 100. Are you getting it? So 50 divided by 100 will give us 0.5. So this is meter, from centimeter to meter. Are you getting it? Okay, let me write it here. So we have space to calculate, okay? 0.5 meter. Are you getting it? Okay. Now, the second thing is we are given big G as 6.67 times 10 raised to minus 11, right? Now, the question is, what formula are we going to use and what are we asked to calculate for? Now, they said, what is the magnitude of the gravitational force? Meaning that we are asked to calculate the value of force. Are you getting it? We are asked to calculate the value of force. Magnitude means the size of something or the size of a substance, how big it is. Are you getting it? Meaning we are asked to calculate for like to calculate how big the value of force is. Are you getting it? Now the next question is, what formula are we going to use? The formula to use is F in the study of gravitational field, okay? F equal to G m1 m2 all over r square. Are you getting it? So this is the formula. Please don't forget all these formulas. Are you getting it? It's very important. So F equal to G m1 m2, where this m1 indicates the first mass. Are you getting it? The second one indicates the second mass, while this one indicates the radius. Are you getting it? The radius, okay? That is centers placed so that their centers are what? 50.0 centimeter apart. It's talking about the radius or the distance between the two masses. Are you getting it now? The distance between the two masses. Now let's substitute. So we are asked to calculate for force, right? So equal to the value of G is what? Look at it, 6.67 times 10 raised to minus 11 times m1 is what? The first mass, which is 5. Also the second one too is 5, right? Then divided by the radius is what? Is 0.5. 0.5, and we have square here, so we now square it. See that the calculation is very smooth and simple, right? Okay, so the next thing to do now is what? Now, so many students, when it comes to this point, so many students are confused. So many students are what? Confused. Now, watch carefully. I will show you the simplest step you will use. I guess it. Now, look at this place. We have 6.67 times 10 raised to minus 11 times 5 times 5, right? This is what we do. Okay, take 6.67, ignore this one, okay? Just take only this one. Are you getting it? Then multiply by 5 times 5 is what? Is 25. So 25. Then you now bring this one, 10 raised to negative 11, okay? All over. And the next one is what? 0.5 square, right? Square means what? Times 2 of that particular number. So it will now be 0.5 times 0.5, right? If you have something like this, 2 square, it means what? 2 times 2. If you have 3 square, it means what? 3 times 3. Are you getting it? Meaning double of this particular base number. Are you getting it? So here we have 0.5 square. So it means what? 0.5 times 0.5. And it will give us 0.25. Are you getting it? So at this particular point, what you need to do is what? You times 6.67 times 25. Are you getting it? Don't touch this part, okay? Just this in press of calculator, 6.67 times 25, then divided by 0.25. Are you getting it? 6.67 times 25. Are you getting it? You will get a particular number, then you divide it by what? 0.25. So what you will have is um 667 times, you bring this one, 10 raised to negative or minus 11. Are you getting it? This will be your answer. But at times, in the options, the answer you won't see it in this form. Are you getting it? The answer might be in decimal points. You will see decimal point. So this is what we do. So please take note. Most of most of the questions in that JAM, Polytechnic, or any exam, most like the options, at times you won't see the answer in this form. You won't see the answer in this format. Are you getting it? At times it will be in what? In decimal point. Okay? In what? Decimal point. Now, this is what we do. You know that this number in our calculator, after pressing 6.67 times 25 divided by 0.25, this 667, after this three digit, there is point here. Are you getting it? There is point after the last number. 667, then point here. Are you getting it? So this is how to convert to decimal point. You will move this point backward, this decimal point backward. Okay, you move it one, then two. Are you getting it? So if you move this point one, two, it will now be what? 6.67 times 10 raised to, we have 11 here, right? Minus 11. We moved two times backward, right? One, two. So you will now what? Plus two. This is what we do. Are you getting the explanation? So meaning that if you are moving backward, you will what? Add. Are you getting it? But if, like example, the decimal point is here, and if you want to move forward, you will what? Minus. So please take note of this explanation. If the point is here, and if the point is moving backward, you what? Add. You will add. I get it. But if the decimal point is coming forward, you will what? You will minus. But in this case, we move the decimal point backward, right? So meaning that we what? Add. Okay. So the last answer will now be, equal to, we have 6.67 times 10 raised to, so minus 11 plus 2 will give us minus 9. I guess it. We are okay. Let me write it here. 6.67 times 10 raised to minus 9. We are calculating for force, so the unit is what? Newton, which is N. So this is how to solve questions under gravitational field. Now, this formula is very important. F equal to G m1 m2 all over r square, where r indicates the distance. Okay, r indicates the distance, while this m1 m2 indicates the two masses. I get it. Why the value of G is always 6.67. I get it. 6.67 times 10 raised to minus 11. Now, in the exam, either Polytechnic, JAM, WAEC, most of the questions, this is how they normally set the question. Are you getting it? After putting this statement, at times they won't put the value of G. Are you getting it? They believe that your teachers have taught you everything. Are you getting it? So meaning you will be the one to add the value of G. Are you getting it? So anytime you are given a physics question, try to understand the question before you start solving. Try to identify which formula to use. Are you getting it now? So please, when making use of this formula, take note that most of the questions you might not be given the value of G. So it's best for you to provide the value of G. So make sure you put this value in your head. I guess put it in your head. So the value of G is what? 6.67 times 10 raised to minus 11. Let it be in your head. I get it. So that when you come across this type of question, whether the value of g is given or not, you know that the value of g is what? 6.67 times 10 raised to minus 11. So this formula, please take note of it. Take note of it. F equal to g m1 m2 all over r square. So hope you've seen the procedure, right? And make sure, don't forget to convert from centimeter to meter. It's very important. I guess need convert from centimeter to meter. Then this is the formula. So you multiply, okay. So this is the last answer, 6.67 times 10 raised to minus 11. At times, the answer might be in this form, 667 times 10 raised to minus 11. I guess it. Or at times, it might be in this form. So I've given you guys the two answers so that anyhow they set the question or the options, you can easily what convert from one answer to the other. Are you getting it? Okay, let's solve the second example. Okay, so this is a second question. Let's read it. They said, determine the force. Determine what? Force, right? Okay. So meaning, even this second question, we are still asked to what? Find the value of force, like the previous one. I guess it. They said, determine the force of attraction between the sun. Between what? The sun. This ms signifies mass of the sun. I get it? Mass of the sun. Look at the m is big while the s is very small, right? Signifies mass of the sun. So equal to what? 1.99 times 10 raised to power 30. So meaning that is kg. So meaning this is the first mass. Are you getting it? And the earth signifies what? Mass of the earth equal to what? 5.98. This, okay. They said assume the sun is 1.50 times 10 raised to power 8 kilometer from the earth. Now the previous one, the radius or the distance was in what? Was in centimeter. The first one we solved was in centimeter, and we converted from centimeter to meter. I guess it. But this second one, look at it. The radius is now in kilometer. So meaning that we will also convert from kilometer to meter. I getting it? Okay. So you know the formula already, right? F equal to G M, that is mass of the sun, then mass of the earth, all over what? R square. So I getting it now. Here, from the previous video, I said something. I said most of the questions you won't be given the value of g. Now look at this question. Is the value of g given? No. That's why I said you have to put that value in your head. I guess it. Okay. So you know the value of g, right? 6.67 times 10 raised to minus 11. I guess it. Okay. Before we substitute or before we start solving, let's first of all convert from this kilometer to meter. Okay. So we are given 1 point. So the first mass, okay, let me now write it. 5 point, which is the arrow, right? This is the value of arrow. 5 point what? 0 times 10 raised to power 8 kilometer. So if you want to convert from kilometer to meter, just multiply the given number by 1000. Are you getting it? But converting from centimeter to meter, we use what? Division, dividing by 100. I get it. But this one is in kilometer. So if you want to convert from kilometer to meter, just multiply the given number by what? 1000. I get it. So we have 1.50 times what? 1.50 times 10 raised to power 8. You divide, multiply by what? 1000. Are you getting it now? Okay, let's continue. So we have this is what we do. 1.50 times 10 raised to power what? 8, right? You know, we can change this number to index form. Index form. How many zeros do we have? 1, 2, 3, right? So it will now be 10 raised to power what? Sorry, are you getting it? So anytime you want to convert a normal number to this thing, to index form, just count the number of zeros in the front. Are you getting it? Then one, two, three, right? This is a base number. Are you getting it? It's always constant, so you must write this 10 is compulsory. Are you getting it? So you write this 10, count the number of zeros, one, two, three. If it's four, you write four on top. If it's five, just like that. Are you getting it? So here we have only three zeros, so it will now be 10 raised to power 3. Okay. So now, how are you going to do this? It's very simple. What you need to do is just use this. You notice that we have two index numbers here, right? 8 and 3. I guess we have 8 and 3. You know, okay, let's separate this. Let's separate them. 10 raised to power 8 times what? 10 raised to power 3, right? Do you still remember the laws of indices? Laws of indices. The first law of indices states that if the two base numbers are the same, look at it, 10 and 10, they are the same numbers. Are you getting it? They are the same numbers. So if the two base numbers, the down numbers are called base numbers. Are you getting it? So if the two base numbers are the same, since 10 and 10 are the same numbers, you take only one 10. Are you getting it? And also, if the middle is multiplication, you add the index numbers or the exponent. These up numbers are either called the exponent, the index numbers, or the upper number. So any word I use, don't be confused. Are you getting it? So you add what? The up numbers if the middle is multiplication. So 8 plus 3 will now be what? 10 raised to power what? 11. So this is how to do it. I get it. Please don't forget this law of indices. It's very important. That's why if you want to solve physics question and chemistry question, you have to understand mathematics. It's very important. I get it. Okay, so let's continue. So from here, the value of R equals to what? 1.50 times what? 10 raised to power 11. I get it. I know most of you will be asking, what of this one? This 1.50, are we not using this upper number to multiply this one? Yes, you are not going to use it. Just leave it like this. I guess it. Just leave it like this. Okay, so I think I've explained this one, right? From here, how we got this raised to power 11. Use the index format, the laws of indices format. I get it. So okay, so we put the unit, which is what? In meter radius. So we've converted from kilometer to what? Meter. So this is how to convert from kilometer to meter. Are you getting it? Okay, so let's continue with the calculation. This is the formula. Please don't forget this formula is very important. F equal to G M all over R squared, right? So the value of G is what? Is 6.67 times 10 raised to power minus 11, right? Multiply by the mass of the sun is what? Look at it. 1.99 times 10 raised to power what? 30. Then mass of the earth is what? Look at it. 5.98 times 10 raised to power what? 24. Then you divide by R, which is what? Look at it. 1.50 times 10 raised to power 11. We have square, so you must square it. It's very important. Please don't forget. I guess me. This square is very important. Whenever a calculation gets to this point, so many students will be confused. Like so many students don't even know where to start from again. Now it's very simple. This is how to do it. Okay, this is how to do it. It's very simple. Okay, what you need to do is from this first value, here we have 10 raised to power 11, isn't it? Look at the second one. We have 10 raised to power 30, right? Look at the third one. We have 10 raised to power 24. Are you getting it? This is what we do, okay? Just ignore these ones, all these 10 raised to power, 10 raised to power, ignore them. I get it. Then multiply these ones. Are you getting it? So this is what we do. We have 6.67 times. Are you getting it? You ignore this one, you come to this one, 1.99 times. You come to this one, 5.9 8. Are you getting it? Then times. I think I've explained the indices, right? So here we have 10 raised to minus 11. Also times what? 10 raised to minus 30. Sorry, 10 raised to 30. Also we have 10 raised to power 24. I guess I said in the laws of indices, if the base numbers are the same, you will what? You will take only one. Since we have 10, 10, 10, you take only one 10. Are you getting it now? Then you add up the up numbers. That is what I said, right? Since the middle is multiplication, you add up the what? Up numbers. Are you getting it? So here, look at it. It will now be what? Minus 11. Okay. Now, okay. Minus 11, I said add, right? Plus 30 plus what? 24. Now, I know most of you will be asking, he said add now, so why are you indicating this minus sign? Now look at it. I said add, right? Which is plus. So plus multiplied by minus is what? Plus times minus is what? Is minus. I get it? Or minus times plus is what? Is still minus. I get it? Plus times minus is minus. Are you getting it? So that's why you are seeing the minus sign here. Understood? So everything divided by what? Now look at this place. You have to be very careful when solving this under this 1.50. This is the radius, right? 1.50 times 10 raised to power 11. I get in the square. Now this square, this is what we do. I get it. Note that this square is affecting everything inside this bracket. Are you getting it? This square is affecting everything in where? Inside this bracket. So it will now be 1.50 times 1.50. Are you getting it? So meaning that you can write it in this form. Okay, let me write it here so you will see it properly. Meaning that you can write it in this form, 1.50 square, and also 10 raised to power 11. Are you getting it now? So yeah, 1.50 square means what? 1.50 times 1.50, meaning 2 times. Are you getting it? So this one too, look at this. This one, it won't be 11 times 11. No, because this 11 is also on the top side, the same as this square. Are you getting it? Had it been we only have something like this, let me say 10 square, then it will have been what? It will have been 10 times 10, but it's not in this form. It's in this format, 10 raised to power 11, then these two. So both 11 and 2 are powers. I get me. So it won't be 11 times 11. No, it will be what? 11 times 2. Are you getting it? This one is very different from this one. This one, there is no other power here. Only the square. Square is the only power here. But this one, we have two powers, 11 and 2. So it won't be 11 times 11. No, it will be what? 11 times 2. And make sure, take note, this square will not affect this one. This one is a base number, so it will not affect it. Are you getting it? This 10 is just a constant, like using it to indicate. I get it. So this square will not affect this one. It will only affect this square will only affect this one and this one, not the 10. Are you getting it? So 1.50 times 1.50, right? Because it's square, it will affect this one and this one. Are you getting it? So 1.50 times 1.50 will give us 2.25. Then times 10 raised to power 11 times 2 will now give us 22. Are you getting it now? So this is how to do it. Okay, okay, let's continue. So let's multiply 6.67 times 1.99 times 5.98. It will give us 7 9.374. So if you multiply all this, 6.67 multiplied by 1.99 times 5.98, it will give us 79.374. Are you getting it? Then we put multiply by 10 raised to power. So if we press your calculator, minus 11 plus 30 plus 24, it will give us 43. This is 43. Okay, then divided by, look at it, divided by what? 2.25. Okay, 2.25. Write everything here. 2.25 times what? 10 raised to power 22. Okay, 10 raised to power 22. Okay, so at this point, this is what we do. Please listen. This is what we do. Just press your calculator. 79.374. Leave this part. Are you getting it? 79.374 divided by 2.25. Are you getting it? I repeat, 79.374 divided by 2.25. It will give us 35.277. Okay, then times 10 raised to power. Now this part, you have to be very careful. Okay, we have 10 raised to power 43 divided by, this sign is a sign of division, right? So we have 10 raised to power 43 divided by 10 raised to power 22. Now, in the laws of indices, the second law states that, let's say we have something like this. Let's say 10 raised to power 2 divided by 10 raised to power 2. Are you getting it? This is the second law of indices. Now, it says that if the two base numbers are the same, 10 and 10 are the same numbers, right? So if the two base numbers are the same, you will take only one. Are you getting it? Take only one 10. Then if the middle is division, you will minus the up numbers. Are you getting it? So meaning that 2 minus 2, it will not be what? 10 raised to power. 2 minus 2 is what? Is 1, which is the same thing as 10. Are you getting it? Any number raised to power 1 is still that same number. Are you getting it? So let's apply it here. Are you getting it? Let's apply it here. Now, look at it. The sign of division can be in this format or this one. Are you getting it? So since these two base numbers are the same, 10 and 10, right? That's why I took only one. Now, we now what? Minus the up numbers, right? So 43 minus 22, it will give us what? 21. Are you getting it? 43 minus 22 will give us what? 21. Okay. Now, are we done? Yes, but no. Yes, but no. In most of the options, like most of the questions, either in any of the exam, they might put the answer in this form, or I think even from the previous video I said something. I said the answer might be in this form, or but most times they always move this decimal point to this first number. I getting it? They always move this decimal point to this first number. Are you getting it? So let's do it. Let's move backward only once, right? So if you move backward, it will not be what? The point will not be here. So it will not be what? It will not be 3 point what? The next number is 5, 2. After 2 is 7, 7. We can approximate now by taking 1 to 7. It will not be what? 8. So times 10 raised to power. So which number are we going to put? So what number are we going to put? Is it 21 or 22 or 23? If you still remember what I said from the previous video, I said something. I said if you are moving the decimal point forward, if you are coming forward, I said you will do something. And if the decimal point is going backward, I also said you will do something. I said something. So if you still remember the explanation, you can easily do it. Now, you notice that the decimal point we moved backward, isn't it? We moved only once. Are you getting it? I said if the decimal point is moving backward, we what? Add. That's what I said. But if the decimal point is coming forward, we what? Minus. But this one, we moved backward. We moved backward, right? Only once, right? So you will now what? Add. Plus what? Plus 1. I get it now. So this is 21 plus 1 will now give us what? Will now give us 22. What are we calculating for? Determine the force. So the unit is what? Newton. So I see it now. So this is the answer. So just put the 22 here, Newton. So this is how to calculate um, equations under gravitational field. Okay. So if the from the radius or the distance, take note of them. If it's in centimeter, you convert to meter, and you've known how to convert from centimeter to meter, right? Also, if it's in kilometer, you convert from kilometer to what? Meter. And also you've known how to convert from kilometer to meter, right? Okay, so this is the formula. Please take note of this formula. So if you are watching this video in any of the platform, if you are watching on Facebook, please follow this page for more videos. Drop your comment and please share this video for other students to watch and learn. It's very important. Okay. So if you are watching on YouTube, please subscribe for more videos. So if you are preparing for the post UTME exam, you can chat this number on WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay. Chat me on WhatsApp. I'll be added to the lesson group. But take note, it's not free. Okay. So if you're interested in joining for the post UTME lesson, share this number on WhatsApp. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.